Little birds dancing around the pool, feathers flying like confetti cool, sunshine casting shadows in the park, wings flapping bright in the summer spark. Budgies splashing in the water bright, summer's calling the warmth of light, playing games in a joyful way, holidays in a feathered ballet. Chirping songs with a playful twist, water droplets catching sunlit mist, as the breeze sings along in tune. Happy days under a blue June moon. Budgies splashing in the water bright, summer's call